guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So ngayon po ay isa-set up po natin yung dumating na pinagawang tank ni Papa. Po guys! Nahugasan na po ni Papa yung mga bato.
Kailan mo bigat?
Be careful, Mikey. I've really prepared myself. There's only one more thing that I want. Where'd you go,
Hindi mo na
JJ?
daw ata yung sabi.
Well, I'm looking for something in a
Mamaya,
certain
Papa.
place, so I think I'm quite far away from you now.
What do you mean you're far away? That's not good.
You won't be able to catch up to me so easily, Mikey.
Yan na po guys! Ilalagay na niya po!
I've been waiting this entire time you spent getting ready.
Tignan nyo po guys yung mga nilagay ng display ni Mama Liit ng 20 gallons tank.
Awesome.
Ayan na po, nilalagay na po.
You're in a desert now, JJ? Let's search for him, Ultimate Hunters. Stay on this trail.
All right. Oh, there's one over there. Yes.
Konti-konti na po nilalagay.
Today, we're playing Speed Runners versus Hunter. The rules are simple. If JJ and Carrie can defeat the Ender Dragon,
Hindi ka siya!
JJ wins. But if I can stop them, then I win.
You're fine with it being 2-on-1?
Of course. Another rule is that if you use one down for
Hindi na anak madaling to eh.
Malalim?
Suspicious.
Mamaya Papa, kung ganito ko na sa kamay ko, baka ganito na yon Papa. Papa!
What do you do now? I have no choice. I'll prove that I can even win with these. Start.
Ow! Not fair, Mikey.
All right.
Carrie, let's go.
What is that?
Apparently, our equipment allows us to fly. See ya! Let's slay the Ender Dragon without dying and win the game. First up, let's cut down trees to gather wood. We can use this ultimate axe to cut down a tree all at once. Gathering wood. Now, Carrie, these axes actually have one more function. If you point your axe into the air and click, you can destroy all the trees around you at once. Let's use this as we move along, like this.
Ah?
Trees around me. This will make it
Ano?
easier to move on. What are you up to, Mikey?
Oh,
Better way to take out your team.
What are you planning?
That's a secret.
Yeah, oh well. Carrie, let's search for a village.
yan po guys, kasya. Papa, ilagay mo na lahat to.
Let's try searching for items. Villages have chests in them.
Yung bato po ay iba't ibang kulay po. Tapos may halo po silang shell.
Break it all down and check to see if there's any chests inside. Oh, there's one. I wonder what's inside.
May dalawang klaseng shell po kami dyan nilagay kasama sa mga bato dyan mga guys. Yung isa, seashell, nakuha namin sa ginadyawan. Yung isa naman na shell ay nakuha namin sa old house namin.
One of those houses and attacking us. We don't know which one.
You have no idea where I am. I'll keep chipping away until
Tapos may mga holen din kami na hinalo guys. Yung mga, hindi po ordinaryong holen guys. Yung mga holen na yon ay may iba't ibang kulay.
Move, Carrie.
May blue, may green, may yellow, may orange.
Wipe out enough houses. We're sure to find the one that Mikey's hiding in eventually.
no way.
Where are you, Mikey?
This is Dad.
Ano Papa Tama na?
Hindi pa. Tinitignan ko lang ito. Saan pa yung wala masyado?
Nice! We stopped Mikey. Now while Mikey's gone, let's gather the materials we need to reach the Ender Dragon in the end. I'd like to start by going to the Nether, so we'll need a Nether portal. The materials to make a Nether portal are underground, so let's use these ultimate pickaxe.
We don't know. It's time for and my son bring her.
Yan po guys, oh. May mga puting bato pa po dito.
Hmm? Oh, Mikey!
Big news, JJ. Big, terrible news.
What is it?
There's been a robbery. I'll show you.
No.
Okay naman, no? Sakto, no?
Ba't pinagilid mo yun?
Ah,
Hmm.
para
This
kuberan
house
niyo yung
belongs to the richest man in town. And last night, it was broken into.
Whoa. No kidding.
That's not all. Everything in the safe was stolen.
You're right.
Saan
It's
ka banda?
completely empty.
Ilagay mo na lahat. Ah, parang wala na. Ay, dito oh.
He's still passed out. Let's talk to the police.
Ayan guys. Ayan po yung tank 3 setup.
In a hideout. Our bad guy is dead.
Yan po guys, oh.
He's the robber. Look.
What's he doing now? Is he
Yeah.
leaving?
Yeah, he ran off.
We'll follow him.
I switched to a different camera.
Where does he think he's going with the millionaire's
Tapos na.
precious possessions?
Yan lang po sa aking channel. Always remember to like and subscribe kung gusto nyo pang may mga video na ganito. Bye-bye!